Hey, normally whenever you hear anything about Florida, it's always only in Florida. Like, you be crazy stuff, it only happens in Florida. And we always going borrow for something ignorant. You feel what I'm saying? But then it's those occasions where it's cool to be a Floridian. You know what I'm saying? You come here, you vacation. We got nice weather, palm trees, beaches, and all that stuff. But we also have SoleFly, bruh. And today I am happy to be a Floridian. Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing and talking about the Air Jordan 3 SoleFly, fruits of our labor. Hey, these things right here with that hit of orange, these fire. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today I got a special unboxing of a sneaker that I really wanted to add to my collection, and I was able to do that. And we haven't had an official sneakers release of this shoe. I don't know if because of the heist and stuff like that, because these shoes did get heisted from a cargo shipment as well, and I'm hearing that those were the sneakers releases, so I don't know if that's the case, but nonetheless the Miami release did happen, and SoleFly did bless your boy with this pair, so we gonna unbox them. Before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We're headed to the end of the year, which means not many more shoes to talk about, and now it's gonna be time to wrap up a crazy year of 2025 and do a top 10, which that will be coming to you guys very soon. But without further ado, let's talk about this sneaker. Starting with the box, you do have that orange box right there. You got the SoleFly logo. It says right there on the box. It kind of looks like a wavy, almost like an orange type thing. You got the SoleFly right there with the state of Florida on there, and then this is a size 12, as you guys can see. I hope that's focused for you guys. Pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. Nothing on the bottom except, you know, your normal stuff. And then we're gonna open up this box, and as you open up the box, you do have a cinch bag right here that's going to be inside of the box, as you guys can see. Kind of dope. You just got the logo right there. It's like a cream color, it's like an orange or whatever. And then you do have that orange and green paper with the Jumpman logos right there. As you open up the paper, you do have both of the shoes, bruh. You have both of the shoes, and they are wrapped. Like, Nike ain't been playing when it comes to wrapping these shoes. Let me unwrap these things. Just all this extra paper for no reason, man. But here we go. We have the Air Jordan 3 SoleFlies, man. These things are pretty buttery. They are clean. They're orange and the green. I feel like if you are a Floridian, this is kind of like, and you a sneakerhead, this is like, you got to have at least one of the SoleFly joints. So I'm so excited and happy that I do finally have one. The Air Jordan 1 SoleFly, the Arts and Basil, I am not probably going to ever add that to my collection just because of the resale value of that sneaker, but that is definitely my favorite one. But go ahead, let's start with the booty of these things. You do have that Nike Air in that green, that hurricane green, and then you have the orange peeping around it. That is some premium suede, as you guys can see. That booty is looking real nice, real Miami-ish. You feel what I'm saying? And on the outer side of the shoe, we do have that SoleFly logo that's gonna be on that suede right there. You got the cream air unit that's gonna be right there on the bottom, and then the side panel leather, as you guys can see. Look at that leather, bro. That leather is plush. Let me show you guys on the back of them. Like, look on the back. You guys can see right here, we do have certain details. It says SoleFly behind the pull tab right there. You have the orange behind the tongue. Sunshine State right there. Say that 3 times real fast. And then on the insoles, you do have the SoleFly logo on the insoles, as you guys can see right there. We have two laces, an orange lace and then a green lace, which I think the white laces actually look good. The orange laces might actually pop in there as well. Then we have the green Jumpman logo right there. We have the orange eyelets right here, and then look at the toe box leather, man. Look at that, man. Plush leather, really good material. You got that green suede on the toe box as well, going along that orange outsole, the Nike in green as well. On the inner side of the shoe, the same thing, great leather quality, super clean sneaker. As far as the other one goes, I think it's gonna be the exact same thing as far as like behind the back pull tab or whatever. So as you guys can see behind that back pull tab, it says the exact same thing, nothing different. And then Sunshine State in the inside as well. You do have that orange SoleFly Nike tag. It's that plastic. But overall, these things are a fire sneaker. I don't know what the resale is going to do with these things. I want to say it's going to be kind of like the brick by brick stuff, because they did have a heist, and if they don't do a sneakers release. That means that the pairs is already out there, or that's it, you know what I'm saying? So I think right now would probably be the best time to buy these things. If you wait a little bit longer, you might get in trouble. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Is this a dope shoe for y'all? Do y'all feel like this is something that you should have? I feel like they executed very well. And then the question is always gonna be, where do y'all put this as far as the top 10 or the sneaker of the year category and talk? I feel like this is definitely in the top 10. For me, top 5. I love this sneaker. I love the colorway. Y'all know how I feel about orange. I'm a sucker for orange. And to be able to have this in my collection of finally a SoleFly collab, I can't go wrong with this, man. 2025 has been an amazing year. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions are about the SoleFly Jordan 3s, man. That's all I forgot for y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. We're going to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.